Guys, today I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to properly edit your AI images with Canva to remove errors, improve the quality, and make it transparent for print and digital use. First, you're going to need to log into canva.com. Then select Create Design at the top. Pick the image size that suits your needs and create the project. Once it loads, head over to the Upload panel on the right. Select your images and upload them. You should click on the images on the right, and it will appear on the canvas. Then adjust the images as you want. The first thing I'm going to do is show you how to change the colors of a design. AI art generators make a lot of mistakes, and sometimes you get color mismatches like this. Not to worry, you can easily fix it by clicking on the Edit Image button at the top. Move to the Adjust panel. Scroll all the way down until you see the Color Edit option. Select the colors you want to change and just move the sliders to get what you want. Now the design looks a lot better with just yellow and white. The next edit will make the image transparent. I'll head back to the Edit Image panel again, and this time I'll just pick the BG Remove. Now, the background has been removed, so you can upload it to a t-shirt or any other product you want. Next, I'll show you how to remove unwanted text or other elements in your design. I'm going to click the Edit Image panel and select the Magic Eraser option. Once it loads, I'll just use the brush to select this text right here. Then click Erase. The text is gone, but I don't like the lines over here, so I'll select it again and erase it. As you can see, the design looks way better now. When you are done with all the edits, you can click the Share button and then download. Choose PNG and make sure the transparent background option is selected, then click Download. All your designs will be saved to your device.